Let's learn how to see story archive on Facebook. If you're on Facebook and you posted a story but you decided afterwards you want to archive it, you don't want everyone to be able to see it anymore, I'm going to walk you through all of those steps to find that archive afterwards. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. First, let's open Facebook app on your device and make sure you are logged into your Facebook account. After that, click on three lines in the upper right corner of the screen. Now you have come to Profile menu. When you do that, click on the gear button in the upper right corner of the screen to get to Settings and Privacy section of your profile. Now you can search for the Activity Log option in the search bar, or, as I will do, scroll down to find your Activity section and select the Activity Log option within it. Once you've done that, choose the Archive option in the middle of the screen. When you enter the archive, Facebook will offer you two options, and you should select Story Archive. Now you can view all your previously posted stories. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, goodbye.